Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a screenshot system in Unity. So, let's get started. First, let's create a new script. At the top, we include the necessary namespace for handling files and dates. Now, let's define a variable to store the folder where screenshots will be saved. Inside the start method, we'll define the path where screenshots will be saved. If the folder doesn't exist, we'll create it. This ensures that every screenshot will be stored inside Assets, Screenshots in Unity. If you want to store them in a different location, you can modify the screenshot folder path accordingly. Now, with the if statement, we directly check if the folder exists using directory exists screenshot folder. This method returns true if the folder already exists, and false if it doesn't. If the folder doesn't exist, we create. Let's break down the creation of the takeScreenshot function in Unity. The takeScreenshot function is a custom method that captures the current screen and saves it as an image file. This function will handle the process of capturing the screenshot when called. We want each screenshot to have a unique name, so we use the current date and time to create a timestamped file name. This prevents overwriting files and makes it easier to organize and find them later. DateTime now gives us the current date and time. The format YMMDD_HHMMSS ensures that the file name includes year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, making it unique every time. To ensure the screenshot is saved in the correct folder, we combine the screenshot folder path screenshotFolder and the generated file name. Now, before we move on to the screenshot functionality itself, let's add a small debug log to ensure everything is working correctly so far. Yes, our code is almost complete. Now, in the update function, we'll check for input from the player. Specifically, we're going to check if the player presses the F12 key. If they do, we will call our takeScreenshot method, which will capture the screenshot and save it to the designated folder. Now it's time to test. Attach our script to a game object, press play in Unity, hit the F12 key, and check if the screenshot is saved in the Assets Screenshots folder. Done. Your script is now attached and ready to work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Unity tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.